Thanks, but no thanks. The message this morning from the White House to the CDC, according to USA Today. Its report says the White House Medical Unit declined an offer of assistance from the CDC's leadership Monday to help identify and track down people who may have been exposed to White House staffers who tested positive for the coronavirus. That includes attendees at last Saturday's Rose Garden event. At least 12 people who were there are now infected. And the report says internal CDC communications show agency officials accusing the White House of playing politics. The CDC confirmed to USA Today the White House has not accepted its offer to run the contact tracing, but a White House spokesperson insists they are engaged with the nation's lead public health agency, saying they're following CDC guidelines and have a full-time CDC epidemiologist detailed to staff. It comes as the CDC revised its coronavirus guidelines for the third time in less than a month, acknowledging that while the virus is most commonly spread through close contact, in some cases, an infection can come from exposure to virus in small droplets and particles that can linger in the air for minutes to hours. Adding, in limited, uncommon circumstances, a person who tested positive has infected others more than 6 feet away or just after leaving an area, in instances that often involved activities that caused heavier breathing, like singing or exercising. Overnight at the White House, a deep disinfection, with workers in protective suits sanitizing the press area, including the room where Press Secretary Kayleigh McEnany briefs reporters. She announced she has tested positive for the coronavirus.
I'm feeling great. I'm having no symptoms. I'm very blessed to have a mild case.
Just 2 days ago, she spoke to reporters without a mask.
I'm not going to give you a detailed readout with timestamps of every time the president's tested.
A White House official points out that interaction lasted less than a minute and would not count as close contact under CDC guidelines. 2 of McEnany's deputies have also tested positive for COVID, bringing the total number of infected people tied to the White House or Trump campaign to 14.
As for the FDA, the White House is now blocking that agency from putting in place stricter requirements for the emergency use of a vaccine. That's according to reports from the New York Times and the AP, although we should note NBC News has not independently confirmed that. This would have all but guaranteed no vaccine before Election Day. The FDA had wanted patients to be followed for a couple of extra months. The White House argued there was no clinical reason for that, essentially. We are out to the relevant agencies for comment. Savannah, we'll let you know when we get it.